Here we are, new listing on Highway Y. Just cleaning it out, so there's still a lot of stuff here. Here is the garage. It's 26 by 38. Little deck here. It's on 26 acres, and there is a creek along the west property line, but you walk in, here's a little dining room area. There's the kitchen, closet, and then there is a bath here. Right off of that, here is another formal dining area. They have washer and dryer in there, another refrigerator, tons of closet space. These are big closets here too. And then a door up to the back. There's the LP tank and a garden back there. If we come around, there's a freestanding stove. Goes down to the garage. Here is an office area. Let's see. Let's go out to the garage. As I said, tall ceilings, 12-foot ceilings in here. We've got 26 by 38. And then back here is a 16 by 26. Another garage that could be made into a shop. All right, we'll go back in. There's another exterior door. There is a door opener. Okay, coming in from the garage, here's the dining room area. We'll go see the kitchen. There is a little coffee bar area, island, kitchen, lots of cabinet space. It's the door to the basement. There's an island with a sink in it. And dishwasher on this side. We come out to the living room. Nice big living room, and then off the back of this is the master bedroom. Closet. And then its own bath here. Sink. There's the shower. Nice window. It's nice and lit up in here. Okay, now if we go upstairs. Upstairs to the left is a bedroom. And there's a closet back there. And if you go to the right, another bedroom with two closets and the window facing down. And downstairs. Basement, partial basement. Started out as an old farmhouse, but here is the basement. There's some shelves. There is the furnace, hot water heater, point well, and electrical panels there. The rest of the house is all on crawl space. It has access there and there. And there you go.